Hello, good morning to everyone, and I hope you're all having a good weekend. Ihabol ko yung video to before mag-shutdown for a while yung charts ng Instagrams. Okay, let's start quickly. Ali. But first, let's take a look at PSEI. The PSEI looks to be recovering somewhat. Although, if you draw this channel, it seems that it's still trading within this structure. Kaya it's possible that it will be on a downswing. But of course, it's just a possibility. Let's hope na imbes na downswing, sana nga ay magtuloy-tuloy ng reversal. Okay, Ali. Blue chip Ali. Still making consecutive low ranges. Still doing this, ranging there, and ranging there. Wala pang sign of a reversal. Kaya for now, just watch it. H2O. Nako, ang H2O. Bumaba na ng tuluyan halos. It's now almost back to its initial range. In fact, a bit lower pa. Dito. And with no sign of any reversal aside from just consolidating at the lower range, I will avoid this for now. MEG, another blue chip. MEG is still doing its sideways move, consolidating pa rin siya. And it's very near this support level. Kaya hopefully it will range and then break out from this range. Although for now, hindi ko pa rin siya i-consider. Balik ka na sa PSE. In time. Okay. IRC. IRC, wala pa sa akin yan. IRC, mukhang meron pang sinabi. Tingnan natin. You can draw this trend line under its lows. Baka pwede pa. Pwede siyang bumaba sa range dito ulit, bumaba sa trend line ulit, and then it may continue on its way up. Let's look at its price relative to its support. It is now trading near a support level. Medyo okay to. Which means posibleng mag-bounce siya from here. Siyempre, as always, ingat din. Anyway, mukhang meron siyang konti pang angas ang IRC. If this were me, I can take this as a pullback and as a possible bounce from support, basta as long as you have your proper stop loss. Medyo malayo, 8% stop loss. And then let's see its MAs above 50. above 20 and above 100. So ano pa rin siya? It is still in the so-called alignment of the stars of ZFlix. Yun, mukhang meron pa siyang ibubuga. MRC, I think this is still consolidating at the point where we left it last week, just above of this big support resistance level. So right now, mukhang wala pa siyang moves na pwede nating i-trade. How about its MAs? Medyo baliktad. Nasa baba. Medyo reverse ano siya. Reverse alignment. Pinakamataas ang MA 100, 50, 20. Kaya hindi pa siya maganda. Wait for it muna to break out of this range if ever. Until then, no trades for MRC. AGI, another blue chip. Mukhang wala pa rin ang AGI. It is still languishing at a very low level. Let's see kung saan siya in terms of its weekly chart. In terms of its weekly chart, ang next support nandito, medyo pwede pa siya mag-drop doon. It's forming a tight consolidation level near this low point. Wait, AGI near this low point, baka mag-ala premix, no? Baka mag-bounce siya, although for me kasi wala akong tiwala sa mga ganyan sa mga ganyang possible bounces, kasi unang-una it happened before na bumaba pa siya, saka pangalawa wala pa siya near what I consider a strong support level. Nalampasan na kaya ang next support natin nandito pa somewhere here. Pwede ba siyang bumaba na konti ron, and then if pababa pa siya, pwede pa hanggang dito, hanggang mga 10. So right now, just observe it and no trade. Regarding its MAs, wala rin, all below. Okay. Ion, Vita, tapos sa MRC. So Ion, Vita, and MAC na lang tayo. Ion, a couple of weeks ago, I think I mentioned that there is a gentle uptrend sa Ion, and mukhang tinutuloy lang ngayon. Mukhang meron pa siyang konting asim or angas. Probably try to see if it falls back to this trend line and maybe do that trade for this next upswing. If you're taking it here, ang kanyang profit na ay taas na rin pala, 30%. No? So I think it's a good trade if you get it from this trend line. But of course, as always, yung ganitong mga formation is also prone to falling. Kaya be aware of that. Pwede siyang bigla na nabawaksak, break of this structure. So if that happens, just make sure meron kang good stop loss somewhere below this structure, this trend line. Okay. Vitarich. Vita. Ayun pala, Ion, weekly yun. Ano tingin natin? Sa daily. Pareho wala. Okay pa rin. Ano pa rin ang daily niya? Same lang ang structure ng Ion from weekly to daily. Para siyang fractal, ano? Pareho lang halos. Okay. Vita. Still, these are like yung moves ng AGI kanina, PRMX, etc. Falling and falling in steady downtrending consolidations. Kaya for me, no trade muna at baka bumaksak pa. Laban ng trade na. MRC tapos na. And MAC. MAC. Ang MAC, hindi pa naman siya bumabaksak ng gusto. Medyo okay pa siya. Regarding its MAs, yun lang nga, medyo ang MAs niya baliktad na. It's trading below the 150 and 20 MAs, kaya medyo avoid ko muna ito. Although strictly speaking, it is forming a triangle. Oops, mukha yatang hindi na mabot ang ating charts sa Investa. Mukhang down ang charting. Pero anyway, let's see. And it's still trading near this support resistance level. Kaya it can go either way, although malaki rin ang probability na it can go up. Kaya for me, I wouldn't trade this unless it breaks up out of this triangle. If it breaks up. If it breaks down, sorry. Wala pa tayong shorting. At I think sa shorting, ang kasama lang ay index eh. Kaya ang MAC hindi pa kasama. Pero okay sana yung structure niya pag bumaba. Biglang baksak yan. Kaya, yun. Pwede ka mag-trade if mag-breakout siya dyan. Kung hindi, node lang or avoid altogether. Tingnan ko ano mangyari. Pwede pa rin pala eh. Pwede pa rin pala ang charts ng Investa. These are some of the items in my watch list from a few days ago. Tingnan ko ano ang kanilang status. ABG medyo okay pa. It is consolidating sa upper range niya. Which means, mukhang meron pa siyang ilalaban. Pwede ka mag-trade o pwede mo siyang kunin at the low point of the range if you are a more conservative trader, or pwedeng kuhanin mo siya if it breaks out from this box, mga around 33. Mukhang malakas pang kanyang uptrend. ADX niya is around 34. Medyo malakas pa. Possible trade pa. Possible trades in the next few days or weeks. You never know. Or baka siya magtipong RWM na forever ang nasa range. Heaven na nangyari. Anyway. ISM ganun din, although ang kanyang consolidation medyo nasa baba. For me, delikado, baka biglang bumaksak. Kaya ang ISM, ano muna tayo? Node lang kasi hindi siya nakaka-rate ng higher high eh. Lower high eh, delikado. Mukhang konti na lang gusto bumili patakas. Delikado pa ganyan. Win. Ang win, kaya ako sinave kasi it's forming a flag pattern. And posible siya mag-breakout dito. Ang ganda nun. Although, there's also a chance na, as usual, bumaba siya. If I were to trade this, I will wait for it to break out of this flag and then, yun, baka tumaas pa siya. Para may panchansa. The only thing with win is that most of us may kutub na ano to, di ba? Medyo minamaniobra kasi who knows win. Medyo ano siya, di ba? Medyo ika nga, medyo basura stock. Madaling manipulahin. But it's forming a good pattern, technically speaking. You might as well see if it breaks out and you can trade as long as meron kang fallback na stop loss somewhere here. Mga 12-13%. Layo. Sa inyan. Just lessen your position if you want to trade with this little bigger stop loss. Okay? Mukhang meron pa siyang iubra ang win. So, that ends our weekly charting session. And I hope Investagram's charting gets back up soon. So ngayon, nakahabol tayo at natapos ko yung video using Investagram's charting. But they announced that they will be pausing or making the charts unavailable for still an indefinite amount of time. So right now, if you want to use a charting software other than your broker's charting, you can try pse.tools. pse.tools. Maganda rin yung kanyang charting. Anyway, plugging na yun, guys. So have a nice weekend, and let's have another session as always next weekend. Thank you, guys.